Hello everyone, this is a World Exposure. This is a response to an Atheist number 4. I was watching this atheist talking about the Big Bang. Now she actually did a great job in her research and in presenting it, but I don't quite see where the Big Bang itself would actually point to any evidence that there is no God. In her conclusion, she says while cosmologists cannot explain what was before the Big Bang, it makes religion feel uneasy. Now as a Christian, that actually makes me feel pretty good. Ma'am, you did a lot of hard work in your research, but you cannot suggest there is no God just by explaining the Big Bang. If you're going to try to prove there was not a creator, then you need to be able to have at least some evidence of what happened before the Big Bang. But then again, how could anything have happened before the Big Bang if time did not exist? Time is a dimension of the universe. Empty darkness alone would have to consist of time. So, there could not even have been empty darkness before the Big Bang. So then, what is nothingness? We can't comprehend what nothingness is because in this universe, we will always visualize something as to what our ideas of nothing are. We say that an empty box has nothing in it when there are actually air molecules and the box's interior inside the box. If someone says they did nothing all day, we know it's impossible to be doing nothing, for even sitting there on your couch staring at the wall all day long is actually doing something. And all that stuff depends on the passing of time. And since the universe had a beginning and is expanding as time moves forward, then it is probably a finite universe. Which means if there is no time outside the universe, that too would also consist of nothingness outside the universe. So how could this Big Bang come out of absolutely nothing? And when I say nothing, you need to free your mind of everything, including time passage and color. But maybe there was something, a creator, God. Many Christians go with the Big Bang theory and all of its evidence. We also know there was no actual bang since sound waves do not travel in space. However, that static that we see on old television sets is actually believed to be cosmic static that has compromised the photons of energy that are still cooling 15 billion years later after the Big Bang. And yes, many Christians also know that light travels at a finite speed, and some of the stars that we see in the sky at night have actually already burnt out. We believe Edward Hubble telling us that the universe is expanding and that it is a reaction to the Big Bang. As a matter of fact, everything that we do is one big reaction to the Big Bang. The universe expanding like a hydrogen bomb, time moving forward, everything that goes on inside planet Earth, and even me talking right now, is all a reaction to the Big Bang. The material that built up the structures around you were eventually created by the Big Bang. So yes, there was a Big Bang, but you cannot rule out a creator for it if you do not know what triggered it. And certainly something as big as our universe is could not have come out of nothing. Then again, maybe there wasn't nothing. Maybe there was something, and maybe it was God.